Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Imdadul Haq, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a math class of class 6. Our today's topic is Chapter 1, Basic Discussion on Exercise 1.5. And I'll solve some problems from this chapter today. The students, this is the first class of annual examination. Let us start. Our first class is on basic discussion and exercise 1.5. Basic discussion means in this chapter I'll discuss about multiplication of fraction, division of fraction, factors and multiples of fraction, common factor of fraction, common multiple of fraction, HCF of fraction and LCM of fraction. Okay, now let us start. Multiplication of fraction. Multiplication of fraction means we can multiply fraction by integer and we can multiply fraction by fraction. So let us see how can we multiply a fraction by integer at first. We can write this in this way. Fraction multiply by integer. And when we multiply a fraction by integer, then we can write the formula in this way. It means that when we will multiply a fraction by integer, integer will go to the numerator. It means that we have to multiply the numerator by the integer. This is the formula. When we will multiply a fraction by integer, just integer will go to the numerator. Let us see an example. 2 by 5 is a fraction. If we multiply this by 3, this will be, according to the formula, numerator is 2, so integer will go to the numerator and denominator remains same. So product of 2 and 3 is 6. So the product is 6 by 5. As this is improper fraction, we can convert this into mixed. This will be one integer, 1 by 5. If we convert 6 by 5 into mixed fraction, we will get this fraction. This is fraction multiplied by integer. Now I will show when we will multiply two fractions. It means if it is fraction multiplied by fraction, then what will happen? See, fraction multiplied by fraction. If we multiply a fraction by a fraction, then we have to multiply the numerators with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So we can write in the numerator, here will be product of numerators, the product of numerators. And in the denominator will be the product of the denominators. Product of denominators. When we multiply a fraction by a fraction, the result will be in the numerator the product of numerators will be the numerator and the denominator will be the product of denominators. Now let us solve a question. According to this formula, we can solve a question. The question I have written at first from your exercise. The exercise is exercise 1.5. This is our given question. I will solve this question now. Now, as here is mixed fraction, at first we have to convert this fraction into improper. To convert the fraction into improper, we have to multiply the integer part by the denominator and then we have to add the numerator. Now do this. 9 4s are 36 and we have to add 3, that will be 39. 9 4s are 36 and 3, 39. Now denominator will remain same. Multiplication sign here, 2 integer 17, 2 by 17 multiply by 5 by 19. Now our formula is the product of numerators and the product of denominators. So we will write here the product of numerators, 3 9 9 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. And the product of denominators are 4 multiply by 17 multiply by 19. Now we can calculate here. We can divide 4 by 2, we will get 2, and we can divide 399 by 19. If we divide, we will get 19 2s are 38 and 1 left, 19 one time, 21. Now we can divide. So we have to write here multiplying 21 and 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, and we have to multiply 17 by 2, that is 34. As this is an improper fraction, we have to convert this into mixed. We can take 3 times. If we take 3 times, it will be 102. So 3 will remain and this will be 34. So you can say 3 integer 3 by 34 is our required answer for the first question. And now go to the second question. Here division of fraction. Division of fraction means we can divide a fraction by integer and we can divide fraction by fraction. I will show both the system here. Fraction divide by integer. In this case, the integer will go to the denominator and numerator will remain same. Denominator multiply by integer. According to this formula, we can solve a problem here. Suppose 5 by 7 is a fraction. We want to divide this by 3. If we want to divide this by 3, then according to the formula, we can write 5 here, numerator is 5 and denominator is 7 and the integer is 3 here. So it will be 5, 7 3s are 21. Now I will show how can we divide a fraction by a fraction. How can we divide a fraction by a fraction? So we can write here fraction divide by fraction. When we divide a fraction by a fraction, we have to remember that here is the first fraction means first numerator and denominator. And denominator. Now, we will change the sign by multiplication. If we change the sign, then the next fraction after the sign, the fraction, we have to take the reciprocal fraction. Here, the reciprocal fraction means the denominator will go to the numerator. and numerator will go to denominator. So we can say just we have to take the inverse fraction or the reciprocal fraction when we will change the sign division by multiplication. Now I will solve a problem that is given here. Let us see the problem. This is our given problem. We can solve this now. As this is improper fraction, we have to this is mixed fraction, we have to convert this into improper at first. This is also mixed, we have to convert this into improper. Now we have to multiply this by 4. 4 sevens are 28 and 3, that is 31. 1, 3 left. Now we can say 4 2s are 8 and 3, 11. So denominator remains same. Here is division sign. Now this fraction 14 5s are 70, and if we add 4 that will be 74, and here is 5. Now according to the formula, first fraction will remain same and we have to change the division sign by multiplication, and this numerator and denominator of the second fraction will change their place. It means 5 will be in the numerator and 74 will be in the denominator. So we can calculate here. It will be, now this is multiplication of fraction by fraction. So product of numerator is 555 and product of these two is 4 4s are 16 and 4 7s are 28 and 1 29. 296. Now this is improper fraction, so we can convert this into mixed. Take one time, 259 will remain, 296 will remain same. You can show the rough here. 296, if you divide 555 one time, 296, if you subtract you will get 9 here, here is 14, so you will get 5 here, and here is 2. So we can write this in the numerator. So we can say this is our required answer for this question. Now I will solve a question that is simplification. I will solve this question. Here is division, here is of, here is multiplication. 3 operations given here. The operations are division, of, multiplication. Among these 3 operations, at first we have to complete the work of the operation of. When we will complete the operation of, then we have to complete the operation division, then we have to complete the operation multiplication. So let us solve the problem. First one remains same. Now we can calculate here. If we calculate, we can write here 3, 4, of, 8, 9. Multiply. This one will be 5. 5 ones are 5 and 4, 9, and here is 5. So we can write in this way now. Half, divide 3 by 4. We can calculate here. 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9. So we can write here 2 by 3. Now multiplication 9 by 5. Now we have to complete the work of division at first. To complete the work of division, at first we have to change the sign division. Half, change the sign division by multiplication. So after the division sign, just this fraction, we have to take the reciprocal of this fraction. So it will be 3 by 2, and here is multiplication sign, 9 by 5. Now we can calculate easily here. 3 9s are 27. As we can't divide by the same numbers, so we have to multiply this. Means product of numerator is 3 9s are 27 and the product of denominators is 20. Now as this is improper fraction, we can convert this into mixed. It will be 1 integer 7 by 20. Okay, dear students, now I'll show factors and multiples of fraction. Factors and multiples of fraction. Okay, to find the factors of fraction, at first we have to find the common factors of the numerators. Here the numerators are 4, 8, 2. Common factors of 4, 8, 2 are, we can say 1 and 2, and common multiples of these denominators are 5, 15, 3, or we can say common multiples are 15, then 30. This will be the common multiples. Okay, if we consider first two, it means the common factors of these fractions, common factors of these fractions dear students, at first I will show not common factor, at first I will show factors and multiples. If I write a fraction here 4 by 3, then we can divide by 2 by 9. If we divide this by 2 by 9, we will get, we can cut this by 3, we will get 3 here, by 2, we will get 2 here. Now, here 2 3s are 6, as this is integer, so we can say 4 by 3 is exactly divisible by 2 by 9. 4 by 3 is exactly divisible by 2 by 9. So, we can say 2 by 9 is a factor of 4 by 3, and conversely we can say 4 by 3 is a multiple of 2 by 9. Conversely we can say 4 by 3 is a multiple of 2 by 9. Dear students, now I will show common factor of fraction. Common factor of fraction. If I write two fractions here, suppose 1 by 3 and another is 3 by 15. Here common factors of these two fractions. To find the common factors, we have to take the common factors of the numerators. Here the common factors of the numerators is 1 here, and common multiples of the denominators is, common multiples of the denominators is 15 here. So, we can say a fraction formed by 1 and 15 will be the common factors of the given fraction. Now, I will show common multiples. So, we can say common factors of this fraction is 1 by 15. Now, I will show common multiple of fraction. Here are some fractions given. Let us find the common multiple. To find the common multiple, we have to take the common multiple of the numerator. Common multiples of the numerator is, common multiple of 1, 3 and 9 is 9 here, and common multiple of, common factors of 4, 16 and 20 is 4 here. So, the fraction formed by the common multiples of the numerator and common factors of the denominator is 9 by 4. So, this 9 by 4 is the common multiple of the given fractions. Now, I will show you how to do the HCF of the fraction. Now, I will show you how to do the HCF of the fraction. To do the HCF of the fraction, we need a formula. The HCF of fraction. HCF of fractions, that will be equal to the HCF of the numerators, HCF of the numerators and LCM of the denominators. Here it means that if we want to find the HCF of some fractions, we have to do the HCF of the numerators and then we have to do the LCM of the denominators. The fraction formed by the HCF of the numerators and LCM of the denominators is the HCF of the fractions. Okay, let us solve the question given here. Given fractions are 9 integer 1 by 3, that means if we convert into improper 28 by 3. Next fraction is 5 integer 2 by 5, it means that 5 5s are 25 and 2 27 and here is 5. Next fraction is 15 integer 3 by 4. We can convert this into improper. 4 5s are 60 and 3 63 by 4. These are the given fractions. So now we have to do the HCF of the fractions. To do the HCF of the fractions, at first we have to do the HCF of the numerators. Here the numerators are numerators are 28, 27, 63 and they are HCF is, now I will show the HCF 28, 27, 63. To do the HCF we can find the common factors here. Common factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. Common factors of 27 1, 3, 9, 27. Common factors of 63 1, 3, 7, 9, 21 and 63. These are the common factors, these are the factors. Here factors of 28 are these, factors of 27 are these, factors of 63 are these. Now if we observe here, only the common factor is 1. Here the common factor is 1, so we can say highest common factor, it means HCF of the numerators is 1. Now I have to do the LCM of the denominators. So we can write again LCM. The denominators are here the denominators are 3, 5, 4 and they are LCM is, what will be their LCM? Here 3, 5 and 4, these numbers are co-prime, so we have to take their product. So this will be 3 5s are 15 and 4, that is 60. So we can write according to our formula, HCF of the given fractions, HCF of the given fractions. This means that we have to write the HCF of the numerator in numerator, HCF of the numerators in numerator and LCM of the denominators in denominator. So this is our required HCF. This is our required HCF. Now I'll solve. So we can say answer of this question is 1/60. Now our next question is LCM of fractions. Here some fractions are given. To do the LCM, at first we have to know the formula LCM of fractions. LCM of fractions. It means that LCM of numerators and HCF of denominators. This is our formula. So to solve the problem, we have to find the LCM of fraction of this given fraction. So we can use this formula. Let us solve the question. Now, given, what is given here? First fraction is 2 integer 2/5. It will be equal to 5 to the 10, 12/5. Next fraction is 7 integer 1/5. It means that 5 sevens are 35 and 1 36, 5. Then last one is 2, 22, 25. This will be 25 2s are 50 and 22, that is 72. Here is 25. So we can write here numerators are, the numerators are 12, 36, 72 and their LCM is, dear students, you know all this number can divide 72, it means 72 will be the LCM. 72 is divisible by 12 and 36, so we can say LCM is 72. Again, the denominators are what are the denominators? Here 5 is the denominator of first fraction, 5 is the denominator of second fraction and 25 is the denominator of the last fraction. Here these are the denominators and their HCF is, here denominators are 5, 5, 25, their HCF is 5. So we can say the LCM of the given fractions will be equal to, here we have to take the LCM of the numerators in numerator according to the formula and HCF of the denominators we have to take in denominator. As this is improper fraction, we can convert this one into mixed. So we can write here 14 integer 2/5. This is our required answer for the last question today. Dear students, I hope all of you have understood today's topic. I have given 2 HW for you. Do this HW at home and keep practicing at home. Dear students, homework is very important for you, as city marks and diary marks will be given on based on your HW. Do this at home and submit on next Sunday. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Allah Hafiz.